Hello students and aspirants. In this video I am going to teaching you rule number 13. You are going to one place. For example, you are going to school. For general purpose which means you are going to school for studies. This is general purpose. For general purpose, don't place article before school. I am going to school. I am going to school. That is correct. Don't use I am going to the school. This is incorrect. And if you going to school for other purpose, then to place article there before school. Okay. For example, I am going to the school for getting my hall ticket. This is secondary purpose. Secondary purpose which means you have purpose to going to the place. So when you have in personal purpose to going to the place, to use article before that place. Otherwise for general purpose don't use article before that place. Understand? See student, rule number 13 says places like school, college, church, hospital, market, prison, jail, court, temple, etc. For primary purpose, general purpose, don't use article there before noun. When you have secondary purpose to going to that place, to use article before noun. Understand? Now we are going to see the example. Children go to school every day. This is general purpose, primary purpose. So don't place article before school. He goes to temple. He goes to temple. He goes to temple for what? Prayer. General purpose. Why we are going to temple? Just we are going to temple for prayer. It is general purpose. For general purpose, don't use article before noun, before temple. Here noun is temple. His home is just beside the temple. This sentence talk about secondary purpose. His home is just beside the temple. He is not going to the temple. He talk about his home is just beside the temple. Secondary purpose. For secondary purpose to place article before noun. He went to the temple to meet puja, not for prayer. She went to the hospital for an interview. She went to the hospital for interview, not for treatment. So this sentence talk about secondary purpose. So to use article there before the noun hospital. Understand? Okay student, in the next video I will teach you the next rule number 14. Thanks for watching this video.